All right, guys, Cajun dirty rice. You're gonna want to stick around for this one. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my kitchen. So glad you're here. Guys, we got a nice, smooth, easy, budget-friendly, awesome, tasty, all those good adjectives to describe this dish, this wonderful dish. We're making some Cajun dirty rice. We're gonna do it in one pan. We're gonna do it on the stove, and we're doing it for Soul Food Sunday. So make sure you guys click on that hashtag Soul Food Sunday. With hashtag Soul Food Sunday, we get together with other creators to showcase these wonderful soul food dishes. Now, some of the players in the game, we got Camirra's Kitchen, we got Smokin Grillin with AB, and then we got Soul Food Cooking. All right, these are friends of mine. Make sure when we're done with this video, click that hashtag down below. Check out what they've made this morning, and just be ready to be hungry by the time you're done. Now, this dish right here is something that I like to cook, make it nice and easy. And let me tell you, a lot of y'all might scoff at this, but here's my secret right here. Got me a little minute rice, okay? This is how I'm gonna bring it all together. Now, a lot of recipes I've seen, they make the rice up front, then make the meat and the vegetables in another dish, and then combine them all. I'm just gonna show you how to do it all in one pan. It's gonna be wonderful. And guys, it's my take on it. You could do what you wanna do with yours, but if you would like to do my take, I'll have the list of ingredients and the prep down below. Hit show more underneath the video, okay? Before we get started, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here, and you'll be able to see, you know, when I make something good like this, all right? Let's get over to the stove and let's start making stuff happen over here, man. This is gonna be a good one. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Team, we're over on the middle burner again. We got ourselves our one pan that we're gonna be using. I make sure I use a high-walled pan and one that I could actually put a lid on. Okay, so make sure kind of work that into your thought process when you're cooking this. Got a half a stick of butter in. Then we're gonna go in with a pound of sausage. Okay, get that in there. We'll start chopping that up with the butter. Now you might think, you know, with the sausage and the butter, you know, you're adding a lot of kind of grease to this, but you gotta remember fat equals flavor. So this butter, the grease from the sausage, all that stuff, it's gonna get absorbed into the rice and make it that much more tasty, okay? Now, some recipes you might see out there call for half a pound of ground beef and a half a pound of sausage. I just prefer to do all sausage, so I have a pound of sausage going in right now. And I'm just gonna use my little mix and chop here. Start beating it all together and get it started to brown through. We'll get it pretty much all the way cooked, and then we'll start adding our extra goodies in there, including our Holy Trinity. Okay, got our sausage pretty much cooked through, and then we're gonna add our Holy Trinity to it. So we got some celery, some green bell pepper, and white onion. Okay, we're gonna give this a little stir in there. Start getting all those veggies and the meat sauteing together real nice. Next up, we're gonna go in with about a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more of some minced garlic. If I said it before, I said it 1,000 times, it doesn't matter who minces it. Okay, all good in the hood. Gonna grab a couple pinches of salt going in, little kosher salt. And then we're going in with a tablespoon or so of this Veggies Cajun seasoning, all the way from New Orleans. I actually brought it back from there. We're going in, we're getting heavy-handed. I don't mind saying. I'm gonna put a tablespoon in there for the directions, but it was probably more. One more thing, as it's all sauteing together, since we're sticking with the Louisiana theme, let's go in with some of that hot sauce. Not too hot, but let's say a healthy tablespoon or so. Let's give it a mix. All these flavors are gonna get to know each other real well. Say hi, how you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful Soul Food Sunday. Who's making the beignets next? Let's go. I'm ready. I'm gonna let that saute a good 5, 7, 8 minutes. We want those veggies softened up pretty well. And they'll soften up even more when we add the broth to it. All right, guys, so like I said, this is a pretty budget-friendly kind of meal. All right, we got the saute going. It's a one pan. It's a great weeknight meal. You got your protein in it. You got your veggies. You got your starch, little heat, good flavors from that Cajun seasoning. Can't go wrong with this one, okay? And it takes basically no time at all. I don't think we'll be cooking more than 20, 25 minutes overall, okay? Little bit of time to kind of chop up and prep, but not much more than 5 minutes, okay? Really simple recipe, and it's just great for the weeknight dinner. So, I mean, if you're looking for budget friendly, this will feed about 4 people, maybe 3 if you're a big boy like me, but it's good stuff, okay? Let's get back down to the stuff. Okay, y'all, it's been about 5, maybe 8 minutes. I don't know, I'm not keeping track of time. I cook by feel. Just kind of see how you're kind of softening up in there. Our sausage is getting nice and colorful in there from the hot sauce, from that Bezel's, all that good stuff in there. It's so fragrant in this house. This kitchen is about to explode because it smells so good in here. Next thing, we're going in with 2 cups of some beef broth. You can use chicken if you'd like. I am using beef, okay? We're gonna get this broth up to a boil, let it simmer for a hot second, get those veggies nice and soft, and then we'll stir our rice in there. Okay, time to add our 2 cups of rice. Turn off the heat, get this stirred in real quick. Telling you, some may scoff at the minute rice, but listen, you're in a hurry to get something done, have your great weeknight meal here, gotta feed the kids, ain't nothing better than a little minute rice. Because all you gotta do, stir it in, cover it up. We'll see you in 5 minutes. Y'all, tell me how easy this is. One pan, good to go. Comment down below. Give me your thoughts on this one. Listen, I can take it, but if you know where I'm coming from, or you know I want something easy, quick, tasty, you know I'm on the right track right here, all right? May not be the most traditional, but hey, it's mine, all right? Guys, that's what I love about cooking. So many different ways to do things. I'm just showing you mine, and I'm here for you guys. Throw a comment down below. Tell me your favorite soul food dish, and let's talk about it, all right? This is gonna be done in about, well, 4 minutes now. Then we'll give it a try. All right, who's ready to take a look? Right, there's our gorgeous rice. I don't know if gorgeous dirty rice is the correct term, but I'll call it gorgeous. All right, so let's take some time here to give it a little mix. Make sure it's all well incorporated, everything's good. But I think you know we are good. Guys, it smells so good. All right, let's get some of this served up. I can't wait any longer. Well, you know we're gonna put some green onions on this bad boy. Pow! With like Emerald Lagasse. Bam! All right, team, we are done. I wish I had more to say about this one, but I think we just need to get into it. So I got my nice big bowl. Right? All right, cheers, y'all. Oh yeah, baby. Boy, it's got that heat. Oh yeah, man. Between that hot sauce and that Cajun seasoning, that Bezel's. Guys, you can get whatever Cajun seasoning you want, man. This is just what I had handy, but whoo, get a little heat. That cleared the sinuses a little bit. All right, let's go. Hey, y'all, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up on the way out of this, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys want anything I use in my videos, like merch, the pans I use, knives, cutting boards, all that jazz, links are all down below, okay? If you want to become a show producer like all these awesome Cajun food loving people, yeah, I think that works. Hit that join button right next to that subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we are done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.